Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! All right, we're at the top of the trail. The goal is to hit the first run top to bottom, and then the second run we're gonna session some sections. I'm wearing my Sony on my helmet, and then I'm wearing Chris's GoPro 7 on the chesty, and then Chris is gonna have his Rylo on his helmet. Are you happy to see me, or is that a big stick hanging out of your helmet? Alright, alright, alright. Here we roll. Ooh. Oh, I landed flat on that. Overshot it. Oh. Yeah. 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 Oh shit, I missed it. Too far left on that. Whoa, it's muddy. Yeah, girl. Bad job. Oh, I fucked up last time. Whoa, shit! Oh man, they built that one up. I thought I was going over the bars. Here we go, jump ball. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's a little muddy right here. Whoa! Same shit. Woo! Saved it. I went off to the right again like last time. Big one. Whoa! Holy shit, it's muddy. Oh yeah. Holy shit! Fucking wet, dude. Oh fuck. Oh shit, it's so wet. That's sick, dude. I lost control. Fuck, it's sick. That was sick. Yeah. I thought you meant through it, not on it. Like straight up on it the whole way. Alright, it's starting to sprinkle right now, and we're heading up on the second run. It's supposed to be heavy rain today. Hope it won't land on us. They said 50% at 12, and then 70% at 1. So we gotta get the fuck out of here.
11:57.
Oh my god, fucking Johnny Mountain is correct for the first time, dude. So we're about to drop in. I know it's gonna rain, but I think I'm gonna lead this one, and Big Booty Chris is gonna follow me. It's starting to rain right now. I don't know if you can see, but it's coming down.
Follow you, girl.
Okay, you know.
You do you, boo boo.
Okay, all right, all right. Run 2. Oh yeah, it's coming down. I don't know if the lens is off, water on the lens or not. Oh fuck, almost ate it. Oh, I missed it. Oh shit. Oh, damn, girl. It smells like mint. I know. Dude, this shit's mint right here. Oh, dude, take some for the restaurant. It smells good, dude. Oh shit. That window's heavy on there. Fuck. It's just so blurry. It's all wet. Alright. Try not to do that again. You ready, girl? This is super sketchy right now. Fuck, my bad. Fuck, dude. Sorry, dude. Fuck, that is slippery. Oh man. I can't see a fucking thing. Holy shit.
Get out of here?
Yeah. How's that jump? Okay. Hey, you can't tell though how big it is. Yeah. 100% committed. Yeah. Yep, I landed right on the lip. A little bit more speed. Alright, take 2. I didn't go fast enough, so I'm trying to go faster here. Yes, much better. Alright, we're finished. We wanted to session some stuff up there, but it was raining, so still a super fun day. Got a ride in. Rain means hero dirt, and rain means everybody wants pho. Hi, mamas. We got Alyssa working. We got the whole family working, huh? Alright, so it's almost midnight. We got the restaurant cleaned up. I'm about to head out pretty soon. Got my bike here. I brought it in the restaurant because it was raining outside. So I love the rain. Good for the trails and good for the restaurant. Alright, that was an awesome day. Started super early this morning. Got to ride with Big Booty Chris at one of my favorite trails. Came straight to a restaurant. We're after midnight. Pretty tired, but it was a great day.